फास्टेस्ट क्रिकेट स्कोर अपडेट्स या सबसे डिटेल्ड स्टैट्स
क्रिकेट के अंदर बाहर की खबरें
या हेल्दी डिबेट्स,
सबसे एक्यूरेट एनालिसिस
या फैंस का क्रेज, सबके लिए एक ही प्लेटफॉर्म, क्योंकि क्रिकेट मतलब क्रिकेट नेक्स्ट।
Hello and welcome to Cricket Next. मैं हूं सौम्य कपूर and we have a big update that Gautam Gambhir has been interviewed by the CAC for the head coach's job. But Sahil, यहाँ पे एक बड़ा interesting सा twist आ गया है. He is not the alone man to be interviewed. उनके साथ एक और नाम जुड़ गया है. I'll like you to give all the updates to our viewers on this now.
No, a lot is being said about Gautam Gambhir, front runner, favorite, being selected unopposed as new India head coach. But it's not that straightforward. From what I've learned today, since morning I've been at it, and from what I've learned today, Gautam Gambhir wasn't the only person interviewed by the BCCI CAC, comprising of Jatin Paranjape, Sulakshana Nayak, and Ashok Malhotra. The three of them interviewed the two candidates, and those two candidates are Gautam Gambhir and former India cricketer W.V. Raman. So W.V. Raman is very much in the mix, and from what I have heard, he had a very detailed and a very thorough presentation during his interview, and that was very, very impressive. That has impressed the men who matter in the BCCI. Again, no formal call has been taken yet, and there's another twist to this coach tale. There is a possibility of an overseas candidate being interviewed tomorrow. I'll have the name shortly. I am still working on that, but I can confirm that there's a bright possibility of an overseas candidate being interviewed by the CSC tomorrow. And a lot is happening here. Gambhir, there were reports that he kind of flew to Bombay. No, he did not fly anywhere. He was very much at his home in Delhi, chilling with his family. His family members have flown in from abroad, so he's spending quality time with them. He has been on the road for a very long time with Kolkata Knight Riders, and since then he has been on vacation with the family. Now, not chilling in Delhi, I would say he's baking in Delhi, but he's very much in Delhi. He had a virtual conversation with the CSE today. So let's see. Next couple of days are very, very interesting, because the moment the head coach is decided, the support staff will begin to fill in. Now, I've asked BCCI categorically what will happen to the support staff appointments, whether or not they would be kind of floating a different advertisement for that. No comments yet on that, but I think जिस तरीके से ये लोग ये protocol follow कर रहे हैं CSC वाला appointments के लिए, I personally think एक advertisement float होगा where people will kind of apply for the sports staff. Okay. Yes, whoever becomes the coach, which looks like Gautam Gambhir at this stage, as we have written for Cricket Next just 10 minutes before, Gautam Gambhir is the front runner to replace Rahul Dravid. Rahul Dravid, who's his last assignment with the Indian cricket team currently ongoing in the West Indies, the Super 8s of the T20 World Cup. So the moment Dravid goes, the support staff goes along with him. The support staff, Vikram Rathore, Paras Mamreti, Dilip, will be given an opportunity to reapply, and that call will be taken by the BCCI, by the new head coach, whether it's Gambhir, which looks like very much it right now, whether it's Gambhir, W.V. Raman, or that overseas candidate. उससे क्लियर होगा कि कौन सपोर्ट स्टाफ के अंदर आएगा, और who knows, maybe W.V. Raman becomes the batting coach along with Gautam Gambhir, या हो सकता है दोनों ही आ जाए. So all options are open right now, and it has just become very interesting from what it was probably a week back, where we were only talking about Gautam Gambhir, ekdam just come and enter. So looks interesting now.
But a couple of questions here. If what you just mentioned, कि W.V. Raman can become possibly can become the batting coach as well, but उसके लिए वो different application नहीं डालनी पड़ेगी, या because this is a head coach's interview that has been taken up. So इस तरीके से एक different category follow नहीं करना पड़ेगा, different system follow करना पड़ेगा BCCI को, or they can just pick him as a
that is, see, there's no hard and fast rule about that. They can always ask him to reapply. And who knows who is applying, who is reapplying, whether Gambhir stuck to the deadline, क्योंकि वो तो IPL final खेल रहा था ना. अभी ऐसा कोई corporate culture नहीं ऐसा इतना follow होता कि आपको like at the stroke of midnight से पहले आपको वो application submit करना है and all those things. So let's see what happens, but again a very interesting turn of events. And
but Sahil, यहाँ पे vice versa भी हो सकता है. Just when you mentioned an interesting turns are taking place, so vice versa भी तो हो सकता है. Probably Gambhir picks up that batting coach's job.
No, it's very unlikely. I think Gambhir will be becoming the head coach if at all he takes up that role, because knowing Gambhir and knowing how he operates, it's a no-brainer that if at all Gambhir remains in the mix, it will be in the head coach position. Probably for the red ball assignments, they could consider W.V. Raman. Maybe. I don't know, yaar. I'm still thinking what all could happen. But again, interesting, and next couple of days will be more interesting. Safe to
But
say.
now the biggest question, ये W रमन का नाम एकदम तो आया नहीं होगा. He
Yeah.
would have been in that fray. Why can't BCCI just जैसे रिपोर्ट्स चल रही थी उसमें सिर्फ हम गंभीर का नाम सुन रहे थे. गौती was the only guy who was जिसके बारे में बात हो रही थी. Even we were making fun of it कि यार सिर्फ गंभीर का इंटरव्यू करना है तो इंटरव्यू क्या जरूरत है, सीधा ही just get him into just rope
तो सीधा हो
him.
नहीं सकता ना सौम्य, क्योंकि बहुत बीसीसीआई के मेंबर्स बैठे हैं जो बहुत चीजों से नाराज होंगे. उनमें से कोई सू कर देगा या केस कर देगा. क्या भरोसा कि आपने प्रोटोकॉल फॉलो नहीं करा, बिकॉज जो रिकमेंडेशंस है, जो गाइडलाइंस है, जो कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन है, उसके अकॉर्डिंग सीएससी हैज टू मेक दिस अपॉइंटमेंट्स. सो all those things are factored, and you just can't like एक मतलब अथॉरिटी या एक ऑटोक्रेटिक वे के अंदर आके नहीं ऐसा अनाउंस कर सकते कि यहाँ गंभीर हमारा कोच है, अब तुम अपने 4 सपोर्ट स्टाफ चूज कर लो. It just doesn't work like that.
But why can't just bring out that second name? पहले क्यों नहीं लेकर आया? That is my question कि यार इतना क्या?
वो तो पहला भी नहीं लेके आए, वो तो हम लोग लेके आए हैं. बीसीसीआई never said that गंभीर. Where have you seen BCCI saying anything about the coach?
Yeah.
To be all fair to them, they did not mention anything about the coach. They did not say anything about the potential candidates who have applied. The only statement which came from the BCCI was when Jay Shah had kind of refuted reports of them approaching overseas candidates, जहाँ पे वो लैंगर वैंगर का हवा मचा हुआ था. उसके अलावा BCCI ने कुछ नहीं बोला यार. तो BCCI को इसके अंदर मतलब यहाँ पे तो बेनिफिट ऑफ डाउट दे दो यार. यहाँ पे उन्होंने मतलब ऐसा कोई गलती नहीं करा. मतलब they are sticking to their own process, and it's that we have been floating Gambhir's name so much that we just couldn't look beyond Gambhir.
Yeah. Okay. You cover BCCI from very close quarters. Sahil, what do you think? ये किस तरफ जा सकता है, towards the experience or towards the laurels that Gambhir has, as KKR captain, and then the KKR, with the KKR management, the way he was with the LSG, or someone like a WB Raman who has been coaching, who has immense amount of coaching experience, like Tamil Nadu coach, Kings 11 assistant coach, KKR batting coach at NCA, women's head coach. He has been a part of that musical chair in the women's head coach thing.
No, see, again, मैं कहूँ तो मतलब मेरे को तो अभी गंभीर ही लगता है यार front runner, because he's the kind of character you would want in the dressing room, and this team will undergo a transition, a massive transition after this World Test Championship cycle, which is what, next year, ending next year.
Next year.
Yeah, so वो एक साल के बाद हेड कोच के पास फिर 2-2.5 साल होंगे नया टीम खड़ा करने के लिए. So I think वो टेन्योर, जो इतना लंबा टेन्योर बीसीसीआई ने दिया है, क्लियरली बताता है कि वो कंटिन्यूटी चाहते हैं. They want clarity of thought, and that is the prime reason they are like looking at someone like Gambhir and strongly thinking in that direction. But again, WB Raman makes it very, very interesting because South Lobby will swing into action.
Now we have had a chat about the coaches, but यहाँ पे candidates की एक कुछ और candidates में जिनकी बात करनी पड़ेगी, and that's the candidate for the selectors job. If you can just shed a light on that.
So yes, very interesting names coming out there. Yeah. Ritinder Singh Sodhi, I am told, is kind of I don't know how to put that across, but Ritinder Singh Sodhi is kind of emerging as the dark horse in this race. Mithun Manas, I was like very convinced for a very long time that he's going to be appointed as selector. It was a no-brainer for me, but again, Ritinder Singh Sodhi has emerged again. So a candidate from the north is likely to replace Salil Ankola, because Ajit Agarkar and Salil Ankola are both from the north zone. So from the west zone, I'm so sorry.
West zone.
So they want a selector to be drafted in from north zone again. So that there's no BCCI rule in the constitution or any written rule which says कि हर zone से होना चाहिए, but they want to follow that underwritten rule because they want to ensure equal representation from every zone. And north zone से चेतन शर्मा के वो पूरा वो स्टिंग ऑपरेशन के ड्रामे के बाद कोई नॉर्थ से रिप्रेजेंटेशन रहा नहीं है. So I think that's the only reason. And I think now the selector from north becomes very important because जो BCCI ने domestic overhaul करा है, जब आपके zonal selectors नहीं होने वाले और आपके national selectors ही सब कुछ pick करने वाले हैं, so equal representation from the zone makes sense. So Ritinder Singh Sodhi, Mithun Manas, watch out for them. Other candidates who have applied are Kishan Mohan, who's India junior selector, Ajay Ratra, who has been in different capacities, and we've been told that he was shortlisted for the interview. हुआ है नहीं हुआ कैसा हुआ अभी तक हमें नहीं पता, but he was indeed shortlisted for that interview. Mithun Manas has been unreachable. We have called him like 7 times already. So if he's watching this show, please call us back. If you don't want to call us back, please WhatsApp us, because we know that you are the front runner to become the new selector from North Zone. So this is it from North Zone. I think Ratinder Singh Sodhi, Mithun Manas, Nikhil Chopra hasn't been contacted yet. So let's see whether the interview happens tomorrow, today,
Okay.
whatever the case be. So वो
Okay.
clear हो
Okay,
जाएगा एक दो दिन.
I have some comments from our viewers on this coach thing. Can we have the first? Yeah, who is another overseas candidate for coach position? Ravi Shankar is asking.
I'll break that very soon, Ravi Shankar. Just bear with me. There's one
कौन हो
overseas candidate.
कौन हो
एक
सकता
overseas.
है?
अभी रुको, सही वक्त पे सब कुछ सारा मिसाइल फायर होगा. आज WB रमन पढ़ो, enjoy करो, competition लो. But there is an overseas candidate who's being talked about. So let's wait for that.
Okay,
होगा.
next one, please. If WV Raman is 59-year-old and selected, then after 1 year, what will be done after that? Alok is asking.
Maybe for 1 year. अगर इंटरव्यू के लिए बुलाया तो कुछ सोच के बुलाया होगा ना.
Yeah. But again, then there will be a revamp again.
Depends, yaar. Maybe they just want they want someone like W. Raman for 1 year. Who knows what's cooking in their head, yaar? Who knows? So as of now, he's there, and his I can say it with some authority and conviction that his presentation was damn good. It was very, very good.
Okay. Next one, please. Next one, please. Yeah. Ravi Shankar is asking, it will be foolish decision to appoint Gambhir as a coach because he didn't coach any team. Let's just refrain from having these kind of discussions.
Yeah,
yaar.
no.
If you want to take,
yeah, Ravi Shankar. See, he's a very good man manager. Okay. जब रवि शास्त्री को अपॉइंट किया गया था टीम डायरेक्टर, उसके बाद हेड कोच, ऐसी बातें हम लोग तब भी किया करते थे. फिर अनिल कुंबले को भी विदाउट एनी प्रायर कोचिंग एक्सपीरियंस, इफ आई एम नॉट रॉन्ग, आपने कोच अपॉइंट किया था, और मे बी हैड सम आईपीएल स्टिंट्स बिफोर.
IPL stint with the Kings 11, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah.
Mumbai, I think, after he became
Probably
the coach.
Mumbai. Yeah.
He was Mumbai. I'm not really sure. So see, prior experience doesn't guarantee you anything. Good players aren't guaranteed to become good coaches. Good coaches are not necessarily good players. You know, it's a mix of both, Ravi Shankar यार. मतलब इसको आप एक ऐसे मतलब नहीं इसको किसी ब्रैकेट में डाल के कर सकते. And so no, Gambhir has shown in the past. I've seen his career unfold from very close quarters, and when he wore that mentor hat in the Delhi dressing room, I know what he did to bring about changes in Delhi cricket. Yeah. So let's refrain from making and terming these decisions as foolish. So let's see what really happens.
True. Next one, please. Tukkal sir, one thing for sure, if Gambhir becomes coach, तो फिर accountability की problem नहीं होगी. What kind of accountability? As I said, you know, we should just refrain from having these kind of comments on. That's not right on anyone's part. Will Chetan Sharma reapply for selectors post? Ravi Shankar is asking. Shimalotra.
I don't think he has applied here. And he's very happy doing his commentary bit now. Yeah. I can say again with some sort of information that he went through a lot at a personal level. You know, after that incident, after that whole sting operation thing, he wasn't in the country for a very long time. Didn't have a lot of work. And after that, you know, he was made the convener of the North Zone selection panel, where he picked teams for Dilip Trophy and the other trophy. And since then, he has been doing commentary for BCCI. So let's see. But it's very unlikely.
Next comment, please. Jayanta Kumar, just 2 to 3 candidates shortlisted for Indian coach job. काफी हैं यार.
बहुत है यार.
क्या करोगे?
नहीं किया दोनों तो.
दूसरा आया. नहीं साहिल, जब दूसरा आया कंफ्यूजन. मैं कह रहा हूँ दूसरा नाम आते तो इतना कंफ्यूजन क्रिएट हो गया. Next one, please. Sportsman, if there is any chance there will be separate coaches for red and white ball in Indian setup. Probably he's asking chance of having different coaches for different two formats.
You know, it's a very valid thing, yeah. And I remember asking a very senior BCCI official some time back that, you know, why don't we have split captaincy? And they were very reluctant to that idea, even the idea of split captaincy. So I don't really know whether these guys could kind of explore that idea, but I hope there is that red ball thing.
Another point to it, साहिल, होता क्या है ना, जैसे जो बाकी कंट्रीज हैं, बाकी टीम्स और इंडियन टीम में एक बहुत बड़ा डिफरेंस है. जनरली 7 और 8 प्लेयर्स आउट ऑफ द 15 और द 11 वो 3 फॉर्मेट खेलते हैं. सो वो जो एक जो कैप्टेंसी, स्प्लिट कैप्टेंसी की बात आती है, वो भी उतना रिलेक्टेंट होना मेरे को समझ आता है कहीं ना कहीं. सो प्रॉब्ली दैट इज ऑल्सो द रीजन स्प्लिट कोचिंग होना इज नॉट फिजिबल. नेक्स्ट वन प्लीज. Rishabh, sir, when will you do live with Greenstone logo prediction all Super 8 matches? First episode is coming tonight. So आप तैयार रहिए उसके लिए. पहले एपिसोड आने वाला है, सुपर 8 का पहला एपिसोड आने वाला है. लास्ट वन कमेंट प्लीज. Mudassir, in an ideal world it should be 2 coaches and captain, white ball and red ball, but it's Indian cricket. अपने यहाँ ideal नहीं होता PCCI में. There are a lot of things, as we just mentioned, Mudassir, there are a lot of things attached to it. आपके players कौन खेल रहे हैं, कितने different players खेल रहे हैं, वो चीजें matter करती हैं. Sahil, would you like to take that?
No यार, I see, जो X के लिए काम किया है जरूरी नहीं है वो Y के लिए काम करेगा, जो Y के लिए काम कर रहा है जरूरी नहीं है Z के लिए काम करेगा. And Indian cricket is a different beast altogether. I don't compare it to any other team in the circuit right now. This team is littered with superstars, with players who have good egos to their game, who value themselves in the ecosystem. So you just can't like write them off or do whatever you want to do, man. And you need to handle them with care. And that is why I was a big fan when Ravi Shastri was in charge. यार, मतलब अलग हो रहा था dressing room का. I'm not belittling what Rahul Dravid has done during his tenure, but under Ravi Shastri, it was a big fat party in the dressing room. I'm not saying people were drinking and smoking around. I'm just saying that vibe ऐसा था कि मतलब दिल खुश माहौल था. तो वैसा सा आपको वो जरूरी नहीं है हर टीम में चले ना.
जिगरा बेसिकली जिसका हम बात करते हैं, उस टाइम पे जिगरा प्रोबेबली ज्यादा था. अब लास्ट कमेंट फ्रॉम रवि शंकर हियर, भी उन्होंने एक जजमेंट दे दिया. WV रमन विल बी अ गुड कोच बिकॉज़ ही कोच्ड मेनी टीम्स इन द पास्ट.
Probably that's what I'm thinking. Maybe a batting coach. Who knows?
Yeah, true. Well, Sahil, thank you for joining me in this session. Thank you for your insights. दोबारा जुड़ेंगे. आप जल्दी से वो फॉरेन कोच का नाम लेके आइए. एक और लाइव करेंगे, लाइव सेशन में बैठेंगे और फिर बात करेंगे कि तीनों में से कौन कोच हो सकता है, कौन हेड कोच हो सकता है और कौन सी पोजीशन ले सकता है. Well, thank you so much for now. Bye bye.
Thank you.
फास्टेस्ट क्रिकेट स्कोर अपडेट्स या सबसे डिटेल्ड स्टैट्स,
क्रिकेट के अंदर बाहर की खबरें
या हेल्दी डिबेट्स,
सबसे एक्यूरेट एनालिसिस
या फैंस का क्रेज, सबके लिए एक ही प्लेटफॉर्म, क्योंकि क्रिकेट मतलब क्रिकेट नेक्स्ट.